Hey everybody, Heather from hookedonpickin.com. This is part 2 of my unboxing of Smashlots box. I got a bunch of high-end clothes from this box. I'm going to tell you what I can make money-wise on it. All right, so this was a cute little like kind of jumper dress. It's a 2X, and I think I can make about $15 on this. And this is after fees. Selling it online, reselling it, all right? This is a cute little mini skirt. I think I can make about $15 on this one as well, okay? Cute little, what brand was this one? This was St. John's Bay. So about $15 on that little mini, that's actually skirts. There's shorts and a skirt. And then I've got a St. John's Bay pair of capris. I think I'm gonna make right around $18 on these ones. So this is about $18. And then on these Destructed jeggings, these were really, really cute. And I believe that I can make about $20 on these ANA, A New Approach Destructed jeggings. These are a really cute, I might have to wait selling these and those other capris because it's kind of going into the winter season, but I believe I can make about $30 on these ones. These are 24W. Usually the plus sizes sell a little bit higher, and these are in really fantastic shape. I really like them. And then these ones, I believe I can make about 20 bucks on these jegging. They are Gloria Vanderbilt Amanda Original Slimming jeans, but they're kind of like a jegging. They're burgundy color, so I can make about $20 on those. These right here, oops, sorry, I almost picked up 2 of them. So this is an ALYX women's basically sweater, and I believe I can make about 20 bucks on this one. And then this cute dress, I wish it was my size, but fortunately I've been losing weight, so it's not my size. So if you haven't watched my health journey videos, check those out. I'll give you an update too. This one is about, the original retail on this was about $90. I think I can make about $30 on this dress. It's brand new and fantastic condition. This cute little fun JCPenney Worthington dress, it's a cold shoulder dress, little mini dress. I think I can make about $30 on this one. And then I've got a cute, this is a Worthington 3X kind of cami. And this one, I believe I can make about $20 on. And then let's see. I have, this one is a Liz Claiborne women's black shirt. I think I can make about 20 bucks on this one as well. Really cute detail. Then this one is a dress. It's a 3X boutique dress. I believe I could make about $35 on this one. It's a 3X, nice velvety, heavy duty, very comfortable, very soft. And then we're back to the first one we had. And then this one is a Unity women's clothing. It's a 1X, and I believe I can make about, sorry about that, $25 on this one. And so a lot of good money in this box. I believe I could definitely make my money back for sure. And I think it's going to be a perfect good buy. So as you can see, this box had some really, really good high-end clothing. So after I add all of the numbers up that I just gave you, it should be a total of $298. And like I said, the purchase of one of these size boxes would be about $150. So definitely some serious profit. I can basically double my money and make about 300 bucks on it. So $298 was my total that I came up with. I hope this has been helpful. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.